I just came in to bring my son who had some surgery done, and it really improved his vision. So I was sitting on this couch, and the doctor said, "Well, let me. Your son tells me that you've had problems with your vision and nobody can fix it." And I said, "Yes, I've been to about 3 or 4 ophthalmologists, and they told me that my cornea was out of shape, that it was hereditary, that there was nothing they could do about it." So my vision was gradually getting worse and worse, and I just came to accept that maybe that's what comes with old age. So I figured that was it. Well, the doctor kept encouraging me to get off the couch and let him take a look at me, just to make sure that the other doctors were right, that there was nothing they could do. Well, he finally convinced me, and he checked it out, and he says, "You know what, I can fix you, but there's a problem with your eye." I said, "What's that?" He says, "You have a lot of scar tissue." He says, "Give me your history of your eye." And I'm thinking to myself, well, I don't remember ever hurting my eye. But then I gave it some careful thought, and I said, well, 15 or 20 years ago, I was working at a Goodyear service center, and we had a car in the rack, and it had a leak. So like a dummy, I went underneath to see where the leak was coming from without eyeglasses. And what happened is it was battery acid that was leaking, and it fell right into my left eye. Well, I washed it out for a couple of hours. I figured no pain, no damage. Well, over time, I guess it built up a lot of scar tissue, and it was clouding my vision. Well, nobody else ever told me that I had a problem with scar tissue till Dr. Motwani checked it. He says, "Yeah, I can remove that, and I can fix your eyes." And thank God he did, because I was getting really bad where I couldn't really watch TV, and then the biggest thing is my driver's license renewal. I went down there, I couldn't see a single thing up on the chart. So I said, man, I guess I'm not going to be driving anymore. But thank God my vision's been restored, and I'm so happy that it worked out.